Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this video, we're learning about inverse functions. An inverse function basically reverses the steps of the original function f of x. We write it as f inverse of x, and it undoes whatever. F of x did think of it like a machine. If f of x takes an input, x does some operations and gives an output, why then the inverse function f inverse of x takes that output y and brings us back to our original input x. So one goes forward and the other goes backward. For example, if f of x equals 2x plus 3, the inverse would undo that process. First we'd subtract 3, then divide by 2. So inverse of x equals x minus 3 divided by 2. This is the key idea. An inverse function reverses the operation step by step, but in the opposite order. To find an inverse, algebraically you follow three main steps. Step 1, replace f of x with y. Step 2, swap x and y. Step 3, make y the subject. Again, the result is your inverse function. For example, f of x equals 3x minus 4. Step 1, we write y equals 3x minus 4. Step 2, swap x and y, giving x equals 3y minus 4. Step 3, rearrange for y, add 4 to both sides, and divide by 3, giving y equals x plus 4 over 3. Therefore, f inverse of x equals x plus 4 over 3. If you compose a function and its inverse like f of f, inverse of x, or f inverse of f of x, the result will always be x. This means they perfectly undo each other. So to summarize, an inverse function reverses the process of the original function. It swaps inputs and outputs, and when combined, they bring you back to where you started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.